On a scale from 1 to 10, how crazy I look. Okay, so I was about to put my wig on and then I thought, let me record. So when I installed this wig, I actually used a different glue. I actually used the Esha glue that everybody's talking about. And it's supposed to be really good, but it only lasted me 4 days. Literally, it was coming off on Wednesday, but I stretched it to Thursday. Today is now Friday. For my vlog from yesterday, yes, I slept in a shirt. No, I do not care. This hair is so cute. Like, it's not even on, and it's just so cute. It's just so cute. Okay, I just washed my face. I'm saying that because you want to start on clean skin. If you didn't just wash your face, you can always use alcohol. This is just alcohol in here, and I'm spraying it onto a paper towel, and I'm going to go along my hairline. Well, technically this is not my hairline, but that area. And I wiped some of the makeup off, so I'm gonna just put it back. Okay, after I do that, I am ready to put the glue on. So let me just see where I have to put it actually. I'm gonna do the middle first, as always. And I saw somebody putting dots, so I'm gonna put dots of glue. I didn't do dots last time. It doesn't necessarily do anything besides help you with your distribution and the portions that you use of the glue. I'm gonna use the end of my tweezers just to smooth the glue in. One thing I do not like about this glue is that, girl, it dries shiny. Like, I don't like that. I don't know why it does that. It's terrible. You guys, it's kind of like a bluish, white. Y'all can see it, but in person it's like blue because it comes out white, but it looks blue. So yeah, it dries shiny, and that's the only thing. But you guys know how last time in one of my videos I said that I wanted some new lace glue because the Ghost Bond glue, every time I got in the shower, I felt like my wig always lifted. This actually, I felt like it did not make my lace lift in the shower. But I can't give all the credit to this specific glue because I don't really know if this was all the work of this glue. When I get in the shower, I use this headband for my edges, which now has makeup on it. Oh my goodness, guys, I just figured out how to get makeup out of your clothing. I did not even know this. Literally spray alcohol and then wipe. Wow. Anyways, I put this headband over my edges. I use this bonnet to put all this hair in it, and then I use this shower cap, and I'll show you guys. This shower cap is by Miss Remy, but yeah, this is the shower cap. Okay, I'm gonna apply another layer. I want to do 3 layers because people are saying it'll last 3 weeks. I'm pretty sure I did 3 layers last time and it did not last no 3 weeks, but I'm gonna let that slide. Maybe I didn't do it right, so take 2. Okay, the glue is almost dry. As y'all can see, there's still some blue parts, so I'm not gonna test my luck and put the lace over it right now because we're not gonna do that. Guys, you know what I just figured out? I know why it's blue. Because I have a little bit of edges right there and right there. That's why it's blue. I'm going to take a different pair of tweezers because this end has some glue on it. And I'm going to press it in. As y'all can see, this doesn't look flush, but like right there does. I need to put some glue under there. I didn't put my glue all the way forward like that because I didn't want to have too much glue and then try to clean it up and mess up the application. So that's another tip. It's better to put the glue like a little bit too back than a little too forward, because when it comes time to clean it up, it's going to be so difficult. I got some butterfly clips, and I don't really know what these clips are called, but they're the ones that okay, so I'm gonna put this little piece of lace back. Okay, I'm gonna take another one of these clips. I'm gonna put the name like on the screen because I don't want to just, you know, say some clips and then you guys want it and I don't know what they're called. So I'll find the name for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna put some more glue on the end of my tweezer and I'm going to put it in the front where I missed. Now I gotta do the other side. Something must be really wrong with you. Why can't you just tell the effing truth now? Yes, your mama, did she raise the fool well? What the F did you learn in that schoolhouse? Okay, so this part is clear, so I'm just gonna press the lace into the glue. Dang, you mean to tell me I still didn't put enough? I still didn't put enough, y'all. I still got a little bit, like a little section. You know, a huge tip is you cannot rush the process of looking good. Especially when it involves glue and dry time and all of that. Honey, you can speed up the process a little bit, but don't feel like you have to rush. If you late for work and you gotta put on your wig, sis, you better call them and say, I'm gonna be a couple minutes late, there's traffic. That's what I was doing. So I put a little bit of glue right there. And I'm just gonna push the lace into the glue while I blow dry it. Okay, and I'm gonna let the rest of the drying just happen naturally. What I'm doing is I'm putting the tiniest amount of glue on the edge, and then I'm just like tapping it onto parts of the lace that need the glue. Like that, and then I'm just pushing the lace and the glue together. So yeah, that's gonna ensure that the edge of the lace is down. So this whole part right there, I gotta do the same exact thing that I did to this area, to that area. So I'm gonna pull it back and try to clip it. This part is a little bit smaller than that part that I had to do. Okay, so instead of waiting for it to dry, because the piece was so tiny and it was so hard for this clip to just grip and hold on and stay, I just put the lace over the glue and I'm gonna blow dry it so I can make sure it's gonna dry correctly. I don't like how it's shiny. Why is it shiny? I should write a complaint, right? Like, your glue is great, but why is it shiny? That's really what I want to know. Because why is it shiny? Yo, I just don't understand. You know how we want our jewelry to be shiny, and you know, like our earrings and our teeth to be nice and shiny and white and sparkly. Well, that ain't it, sis. This is lace. Like, we gotta fix this. Should I do 3? Yeah, I should do 3 layers. I was about to be lazy and do 2, but don't play yourself. I was about to play myself. Baby, don't trip. Just lower your tone, because you could get hit. Okay, so I have a question. So for my next videos, like from here on out, should I include bloopers? Because I do definitely have a lot of bloopers. Like, every time I record, I just be doing some dumb stuff. Like, do y'all want to see me acting stupid? Or y'all just like how I upload my videos now? Like, no bloopers, just straightforward to the point, and boom. Which one? Bloopers? No bloopers? Let me know. Actually comment, because I'm getting tired of y'all. I'm getting tired of y'all, because if I just fell off the face of YouTube, y'all probably would not even care. It's okay though. Anyways, we got 30 more to 200 subscribers. So come on, y'all got this. We have 30 more. We can do this. The blue is there because it's in my edges. So I'm just gonna pay no mind to that at all, like literally. And y'all see that, all that lace? So yep, you know what we gotta do. I actually like fixing the ends of the lace than putting on the whole lace. Like, I don't know why. It's just so fun. Then it really comes together and you're like, oh wait, I did that? Girl, you did that. I have a test today. Are you? Oh, you cannot be for real. You cannot be for real, bro. I have a test. Oh wait, I'm actually gonna cut a lot of this off because that's just pure lace. Like, there's no hair on it or anything. What lace again? Psych. Y'all know what lace. Y'all watched me put it on. I'm just like pulling parts of the lace, like literally all the lace back, so I can see if there's any part that's not secure, because then I will then apply a little bit of glue so I can help it stick down. Because honey, if this lasts for 3 weeks, I want to see that happen. Okay, so I'm finally done with the glue. Finally. Ooh. Now I have to blend my lace even more into my forehead, and I'm gonna use makeup to do that. I'm going to use my angle brush and my black opal foundation, and I'm pretty sure this is ebony. I really don't want to use this brush though. I'd really rather use this one because of how it's shaped and stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. I didn't add any makeup to this. So that's why I thought this would be a good idea to use, because it already had makeup on it and whatnot. So yeah, this is just a paper towel that I'm using to just do this so I can blend it in. Guys, I actually think I need to remove some of the makeup from right there. So I'm gonna put some water and dab with my paper towel. There you have it, folks. I did it. Y'all saw it. How I apply my lace frontal wigs. So, yep, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna end it right here. Make sure you follow me you add me on Snapchat, because that's where I always am. That's where you're gonna see things on there before here, because it's just quicker. And yep, I'm gonna post on Snapchat. I post on Snapchat way more than here. So that is how I install my lace frontal wigs using the Esha glue. But anyways, please like, comment, share this with your friends, subscribe, and thank you. See you guys next time.